Greetings to you all. I am Lalita. I am speaking from ADECOM Network. ADECOM Network is a social voluntary organization situated in India. We are the association since 25 years working for the empowerment of women and children. With the support of PADAM and the Ministry of Luxembourg, recently we started the Women Rehabilitation Center in India. This center really giving protection to the women and children in our region. Our mission is
பள்ளியில் நடைபெற்ற இவ்விழாவில் அண்ணல் அம்பேத்கர் பெண்கள் பகுத்தறிவு இயக்க ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் ஆனந்தி வரவேற்புரை வழங்க அதேபோம் நிர்வாக இயக்குனர் லலிதாம்பாள் நோக்க உரையாற்றினார். முன்னதாக அயோத்திதாசர் பிறந்த நாளை முன்னிட்டு அவரது திருவுருவ படத்திற்கு தலைவர்கள் மாணவ மாணவிகள் மரியாதை செலுத்தினர். இதனை அடுத்து
Our mission is to protect women from all forms of violence, particularly the domestic violence. Our mission is to give good education, good health, good food support and sustainable to the community development. So our association is working in 3 districts in Tamil Nadu. Our main goal is to stop all forms of violence, including the sexual violence in India. So in this regard, we are working in
மூலமா நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. உங்ககிட்ட நாங்கள் வந்து திரும்ப கேட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து உங்ககிட்ட வந்து திருமண பதிவு முதல்ல பண்ணுங்க. அதில் ஏதாவது சிக்கல்னா எங்கள் அலுவலகத்தை அணுகலான்னு கேட்டுக்கிறோம். எங்கள் அலுவலகம் வந்து
our region and giving integrated services of counseling. The services mainly related on psychological counseling and social counseling, legal support and filing the cases to the court. So in this regard, we are associated with Women and Children Department. Recently we got the service provider recognition from the government to provide this kind of legal support to the survivors. Our region. Our services is really helpful to the family of women, particularly the single women in our region. In this regard, we really thanks to PADAM Association and Ministry of Luxembourg for constructing the rehabilitation center in Puducherry. Because we don't have this kind of center, women's center in our region for giving the domestic violence issues addressed by the association. So we are really proud about this rehabilitation center to provide all forms of integrated services to the survivors. At the same time, we are giving the capacity building to the women related on computer science and the tailoring courses. Through these courses, the women got their capacity building to get good employment opportunities. They will go and get good employment opportunities to run their families for taking care of their children. In this regard, we are constructing many forms of employment opportunities in different companies and different places. ADECOM is partnership with various departments. For example, Women and Children Department, we are associated with Anganwadi teachers. They are the teachers, they are working in villages at grassroots level. So they are very close with women and children, and through their Anganwadi centers, our team members will go and give awareness to the women and the children in their Anganwadi centers. At the same time, we associated with police officials. Same time, we associated with police officials for assisting the women survivors in their police stations. The police, those who receive their cases, particularly on domestic violence, they refer to ADECOM for handling is associating with police officials. Those who refer the cases, the survivors, they will come and meet ADECOM team members for getting all types of services. They will come for legal cases as well as they get capacity building training. Through these services, they are really getting some solutions in their peaceful life. At the same time, our teachers community also comes to meet us regularly for taking the awareness on domestic violence. Through these trainings, the teachers and the students, they
provide a lot of service to the women, particularly those who are affected violence in their family.
Associating with the police officials, those who refer the cases, the survivors, they will come and meet ADECOM team members for getting all types of services. They will come for legal cases as well as they get capacity building training. Through these services, they are really getting some solutions in their peaceful life. At the same time, our teachers community also comes to meet us regularly for taking the awareness on domestic violence. Through these trainings, the teachers and the students, they refer to ADECOM for handling all forms of violence those who are facing at their day-to-day life. In the same way, we are partnership with various stakeholders to handle the issues in our working region. Recently, we are very happy to start our children project in our working areas in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, in Kadalur district and Viluppuram district, we are going to start the Children's Rehabilitation Center with the support of PADAM and the Ministry of Luxembourg for doing the rehabilitation center. In our region, the children abuses are more and their exploitation is mainly focusing on children and women to get all